within the forest of Mississippi, a small town called Meridian holds some of the greatest rail action you can get in the southeastern United States. As both a crew change point and a fuel stop for many trains, there's almost never a dull moment here in Meridian. Kansas City Southern's Meridian Speedway runs from Meridian, Mississippi to Dallas, Texas. This line sees many domestic intermodal trains a day like this one. Norfolk Southern's AGS South from Birmingham, Alabama sees a good amount of traffic within it. Amtrak's Crescent number 19 and 20 make station stops in Meridian. We will see Meridian Southern's two SW1200 switchers as well as an old Santa Fe locomotive still in Santa Fe paint, as well as a Meridian Bigby. Come along and join us for some of America's finest railroading. This is Railroads of Meridian, Mississippi, a vital rail hub of the South.